Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Master Chef. Today we are going to be teaching you guys how to make a herbal concoction. This herbal concoction has a warm apple cider flavor to it. It's really good, and it also has healthy and medical benefits to it. It can cure cough, sore throats. It's really good for you to drink during when you have the flu, the cold. It can cure those. It can cure respiratory infections and things like that. We have just started drinking it around 2 months ago, and we drink it around 3 times a week, and so far we haven't even coughed once. We didn't even get sick. No cold, no runny nose. This herbal concoction really works, and it's awesome. Let's show you how to make it.
And believe it or not, all the ingredients included in this are herbs.
First, you add some tap water into your pot. Then put in some dried hawthorn berries. They have a unique sour taste to them. Hawthorn berries have a wide range of health benefits, such as lowering the risk of some cancers, type 2 diabetes, asthma, some infections, heart problems, and premature skin aging. It can also help you take care of that very annoying cough you have. But always make sure to speak with a healthcare professional before starting this supplement if you're on any heart medications.
So this is what a package of dried hawthorn berries look like. You can get them in Chinese supermarkets such as Basco.
Then you toss in a couple or 5 chrysanthemum flowers, dried chrysanthemum flowers. Now these dried chrysanthemum flowers have a rather flowery taste to them. They taste like flowers, and yeah, they have a really good texture to them too. You should try them. They have a soft, flowery texture.
This is what a package of dried chrysanthemum flowers look like. You can also get them in Chinese supermarkets such as Basco. Now what you want to do is take out your bag of dried goji berries that you have lying somewhere in your house. This is what they look like up close. So this is the bag of it, and those are the goji berries. Now what you want to do is casually stuff your hand in the bag and take out around half a handful of these goji berries, and just throw them in the pot along with the other herbs. Now what you want to do is casually stroll over to a cabinet and take out that bag of rock sugar you have there. Now we specifically use rock sugar because they are a healthier form of sugar and also have health benefits to it. They help add a little bit of sweetness to the concoction. All you need is around half a handful of these rock sugars. Now what you want to do is take out your bag of dried 3-year-old orange peels.
3 years ago, dried.
Now all you need is just a small portion of a peel, and just break it apart and put it in.
These 3-year-old orange peels can help relieve coughs and also cure lung infections and remove mucus from your lungs. They are basically really good for any respiratory infections you may have. So what you want to do is you want to grab a jar of honey dates. Yes, those honey dates. They're basically dates and honey. Most of them are seedless as well, and they are really sweet. Just grab a couple, that's all. Now let them cannonball into the pool of your concoction. Yeah.
Now what you want to do is grab an Asian pear, because those are herbs too, and they actually help you with your cough, sore throat, and fevers. So now what you want to do is wash the pear. Take a knife and carefully mold the pear to its depth, or in simpler terms, cut them into small pieces and add them to your concoction. Okay, cool, and that's about all the ingredients you would need for a nice herbal soup or tea or concoction. Now just heat it up at max heat for around 20 minutes and you should be done.
And after around 20 minutes of intense cooking and boiling, your herbal concoction should look a little something like that. Yes, with steam rising out of it. Now, it is best if you drink it warm, because that's whatchamacallit. That's when it tastes the best. It's got a taste of apple cider. Yeah, but you can also drink it cold as well. But in my opinion, it doesn't taste as well. As you can see, you have the flowers, the pear, the orange peels, the goji berries, the dates, all mixed in together. And all of their flavors are mixed together to create, yeah, an apple cider flavor. As I said before, it's sweet and kind of sourish as well.